How to hack Facebook account is always a new and one thinking for the new list and fish hackers to prepare and promoted himself for weak hacking and some of the motivation factors. Today on this phase we will study about some different why and method. No hacking, only education. No hacking, only education. Permission why? No hacking, only education. We have researched about how to hack Facebook account. This fast method using kids guard knowledge and others method is using phishing. Today on this page we will run to revert the well techniques and methods that are using for hacking a Facebook account and password. No hacking, only education. No hacking, only education. How to hack Facebook account is always a new and one thinking for the new list and face hackers to preparation and promote himself in big hacking and some of the motivation factors. Today on this phase we will study about some different why and method and study. No hacking, only education preparation. No hacking, only education preparation. No hacking, only education preparation. Russell Technology update. Like, comment, share and subscribe. YouTube channel Russell Technology update. Command pkg install git. Permission y. termux apps. Download termux apps. Next command pkg install pip. Next command pkg install pip2. Next command pip install request. termux all command on setup by setup. No illegally. No hacking, only education preparation. 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 Next command github git colon tool run is. Next command cd bhot. Command is. Next command python 2 bt5. No hacking, only education preparation. 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 Enter target ID enter target ID and password password list type and enter. No hacking, only education preparation. Hello, hi guys. My YouTube channel, subscribe all member. Russell Technology update, like, comment, subscribe and share. Please, thank you. All the best.